Today, we're diving into a topic that's especially relevant as the colder months approach: how to fix dry, wrinkly hands. If you've noticed your hands becoming dry, irritated, or looking older than you'd like, particularly during the winter, this video is for you. Now, back to your hands. Many people turn to lotions to deal with dryness. But here's the thing. Most lotions aren't exactly the solution you think they are. In fact, what you put on your skin doesn't just sit there. Your skin absorbs it, and it gets into your bloodstream, eventually making its way to your liver. This is why it's super important to be mindful of what you're putting on your skin. Did you know that about 22% of personal care products are petroleum-based? This includes things like benzene and mineral oil. While these products may seem like a quick fix, they can actually strip your skin of essential fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamins A, D, E, and K, leaving your hands even more dry, red, and cracked. And let's not forget the chemicals in tap water. Fluoride and chlorine, often found in our water supply, are harsh on the skin, not just on your hands, but all over your body. Add in the fact that many of us are washing our hands constantly these days, and it's no wonder our hands are suffering. Now, don't get me wrong, washing your hands is important, especially to prevent the spread of germs and viruses. But if your hands are feeling like sandpaper, there are better solutions than simply slathering on more lotion. The importance of your skin's microbiome. Here's something fascinating. Your skin, especially your hands, is home to a rich community of microbes. These microbes, which include friendly bacteria and fungi, actually work in harmony with your skin. In fact, you have about 14 different types of friendly fungi living on your hands alone. This relationship is symbiotic, meaning both you and the microbes benefit. They help protect your skin, and in return, you give them a place to live. However, constant washing and the harsh chemicals in many products can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to dry, irritated skin. When we disturb these friendly microbes, we leave our skin vulnerable to harmful pathogens. Interestingly, even non-harmful microbes can turn pathogenic if the environment on your skin becomes too harsh. So, keeping a healthy, balanced environment on your skin is key to keeping your hands soft and youthful. Why your skin's pH matters. Another thing to keep in mind is your skin's pH level. Unlike other parts of your body that may be more alkaline, your skin is naturally acidic with a pH level between 4 and 4.5. If this balance gets thrown off, your skin can become inflamed, swollen, and even more prone to irritation. So, knowing what you're putting on your skin is crucial. You want to avoid anything that will disrupt this natural acidity. It's not just about what's on the outside. Let's not forget that your skin's health reflects what's happening inside your body. Your diet plays a huge role in how your skin looks and feels. If you want to maintain youthful skin, on your hands and everywhere else, it's important to focus on what you're eating. A low-carb diet, along with intermittent fasting, can work wonders in reducing oxidation, which is essentially the rusting of your body's tissues. Refined sugars, flours, and vegetable oils, like soy and canola oil, can speed up skin aging, so minimizing these is a great first step toward healthier skin. So, what are the two main goals when it comes to fixing dry, wrinkled hands? Stop using harmful products. If you're using lotions or products that contain petroleum-based ingredients, it's time to say goodbye to those. They may offer temporary relief, but in the long run, they're doing more harm than good. Nourish your skin with the right vitamins. Your hands need those fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, to stay soft and supple. Plus, remember those friendly microbes we talked about? You want to nourish them too, instead of constantly washing them away or using products that kill them. Best remedy for dry, wrinkled hands? All right, let's get to the remedy. You only need 3 simple ingredients for this magical hand treatment. The first ingredient is 1 egg yolk. Why? Egg yolks are packed with fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, along with omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are essential for skin health and are absorbed right into your skin, giving it the nourishment it needs. Egg yolk also contains lecithin, which softens the skin and helps break down cholesterol, making it easier for these nutrients to penetrate your skin. The second ingredient is a teaspoon of raw honey. Manuka honey in particular is fantastic because it's antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. It's great for wound healing and acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, making it perfect for soothing dry, irritated skin. The last ingredient is 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Make sure it's the real deal. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and also helps to lock in moisture. How to apply this remedy? Here's what you do. Mix the egg yolk, honey, and olive oil together in a small bowl. Apply this mixture to your hands and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Don't wash it off immediately. Let your skin soak in all the goodness. After 20 minutes, rinse your hands with lukewarm water, and voila! Your hands will feel soft, hydrated, and rejuvenated. I recommend doing this treatment twice a week, especially before bed, so your hands have time to heal overnight without being washed again and again. There you have it, an easy, natural remedy for dry, wrinkled hands that not only nourishes your skin but also supports your skin's microbiome. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips on keeping your health in check, inside and out.